Alright guys, so today we want to show you how you can use the stylus pen to work on your note. And today we want to use this star note to take some documentation. I've not even opened the pen, so this is what we're going to use. So I click on a new note, create new note. I just want to see how this can be used. So I'm going to click on a blank interface, and then we'll create a new note. So I'm going to use the pen here to draw a table. So I'm going to draw a table. I'm going to draw another. Okay, let me erase this. Let me erase this. So to make it easier, you can just take it out because this is the right thing to do. So I'm going to draw another line. Okay, put it back on pen. I'm going to draw, I want to create a table, and I just want to document my activities. So this is date, DE. Okay, so this is just the rough thing I want to do, but if I want to do it properly, then I'll just do it well. This is date, and the next thing I'm going to do now is hour. I know that H stands for hour, and then this BS stand for Bible study. So on the this is for the month of September. Okay, so I want to on the, let's say on the 10th, no, let's say on the 5th, so I could just draw another. Okay, I could just draw another line here on the 5th. I had like 3 hours Bible study 3, and then this is if I want to tabulate some other thing. Then I have another. Let me take this down here. So I have another line here I want to draw, and then this is for on the 10th. On the 10th I had 2 hours. So because I just want to record the number of hours I spent in the field service. So I could draw another line here. On the 13th I went out again, and I had 2 hours in the service. I continued the line drawing, and then I went out again. I went out again on the 17th, and I spent 2 hours in the field service. Okay, so that's basically how you could use the table to use this to write or document. So you see, as you can see, my hands are not on the tablet because it doesn't have palm rejection. If my hands are on the tablet, it's not going to write because it doesn't have palm rejection, right? But if I decide to maybe get something like this and place maybe a cloth, let's say this is a cloth, and then I write, it's going to write. Okay, so I could use a soft cloth or anything I know will allow my hand to rest, and then I'll basically write anything I want to write on the tablet, since it doesn't have palm rejection for the universal stylus pen. But if you're using the Redmi pen, then you don't need stuff like this. So we also have the palm rejection glove. You can buy that, put it on, and then you write anything you want to write. So I just want to clean these off, clean this. All right, so you could just go ahead and save this document, and that's how the universal stylus pen works, and how you can take notes on your tablet. Okay, so I will just save this, and that's that, guys. Thank you. Subscribe and let us know how this can work even in other devices. If you want to know that, then comment what you want us to do again, then we'll create that video for you.